Hi there, welcome to our channel. Good news for those folks out there who have the current Ode Brew Grinder with version 1.1 Burrs pre-installed. Introducing Ode 64mm Gen 2 Brew Burrs. Designed specifically for Ode's motto, will give you more precision and a much wider grind range for your brewing recipes. From the finest pour-over methods to the coarsest cold brew. Developed in-house by fellows VP of R&D Nick Terzulli, the development process is summarized here. With a unique two-stage grinding geometry capable of handling all roast levels, expect sweetness with medium clarity, balanced flavor. Grind capabilities is 250 to 300 microns and up. Material is stainless steel, uncoated, and truly made just for Ode. Here's the Burr comparison table for your reference. With the Gen 2 Brew Burrs installed, do take note of the revised grind setting guide as shown here. Just a reminder that Ode was designed as a filter grinder and so not for espresso grinding. Good to know that both burrs are designed to be identical. Hence, either one of the burrs can be installed on the auger. Just in case you are not aware of, there is a very detailed step-by-step burrs installation video guide created by fellow. The YouTube link is down below. If you have already installed the Gen 2 Brew Burrs into your Ode, what are your observations? Did you notice any vast improvement in terms of being able to grind finer? Share your comments and thoughts down below. Thank you so much for watching.